Hi guys, real autumn day. Just come up for a walk and bought me Kettle. So gonna have a nice brew and have a little bit of a cook up on the Kettle. I do love this Kettle. So that was pretty much it, guys. A few dry bits of wood from the camp store and a little bit of birch bark and minimum effort, and I got myself a nice hot brew in a minute. And I'm going to do myself a nice fried egg over the Hobo stove. Hope you've all had a great week, guys. It's been raining here on and off for about 3 or 4 days now, so everything's pretty damp. And the camp's pretty much full up with leaves, so I might have a clear up later and a bit of a tidy up. But prioritise first, I think. Nice brew and a nice fried egg, and then I can crack on. And I've got Becky up today filming me. So Becky didn't want to brew, did you?
No, I was fine.
She's going to have a fried egg, I think. Oh look, that's ready. We start chatting.
Whoa.
Look at that, guys. That is a roller. Look at that. That is simplicity. I keep going on about this kettle, but it's so awesome. One hot brew, minimum effort. So T for 1, not T for 2. Cheers, guys. Oh, I do like a nice brew. Now I'm going to put a bit more wood on here, let that die down, get some nice coals going. And I bought me little, I'll show you now. I've had it for a while, but never really used it. So I'm going to do a nice couple of fried eggs. Becky will have one of these, won't you?
Yeah,
nice
I love that. It's really cute.
Nice couple of fried eggs in here. Nice cast iron little sauce pot and fried egg cooker. So I've got one of these on order. Well, not one of these, but I've got a cast iron Dutch oven on order for Christmas. So I'm going to have a go at some Dutch oven cooking. So I do love cast iron and the quality of it. You know, it's a real heavy duty material. So I'm going to give that a crack, oil it up a bit. And got a couple of muffins. And we'll see how it turns out. So I was going to warm this cast iron up now, and then crack a nice egg in it. I'm just trying to balance it on the top of the hobo. This will be my first cast iron egg, guys. This food's meant to taste a lot nicer in cast iron, so looking forward to it. You want the first one, Becky?
Yeah, go on then.
Okay.
Cheers.
And I've put a little bit of Indian ghee around it, so I do like cooking with that. Indian butter, so the egg will taste really nice. Of course, it's making my mouth water. Lovely, cute
So
little
cute,
pan, isn't it?
Yeah. We used the big cast iron pot in Finland, didn't we?
Yeah, yeah. They are nice. Heavy, but even this little pan's heavy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
We'll give that a while longer, and then we'll serve this one. I've got the muffins cut. Becky's going to eat her first cast iron egg. Very Bex.
nice. Yeah. I rate that.
Can you taste the difference or not?
Yeah, it tastes better, yeah. And it always tastes nice when it's over a fire, when you're cooking over a fire, so.
And it's nice with that little pan because it keeps the egg really contained, doesn't it? It's not splaying out everywhere. You've got the same thickness all the way through. Nice.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Right, I'm going to get mine on now.
Very nice.
Cooks lovely cast iron.
Yeah. Next thing we'll have to make our own rolls, won't we? Nice homemade rolls.
Yeah,
with
it'd be
it.
nice in a Dutch oven. Right, you're making me feel hungry. Look. So I whack mine on now, guys. Can't wait. Becky's still tucking into hers, nearly all gone.
Treasure in the moment.
She's only been on it for about 30 seconds. Can't beat a nice egg McMuffin.
Yeah.
Better than McDonald's, eh?
Yeah. Better view anyway.
What, me?
You will. What do you think?
Very nice. That cast iron cooks that really nice. Where's my tea? So there you go, guys. Nice cup of tea and a nice egg McMuffin. So thanks for joining me. Just get ourselves out for a nice walk. Can't beat it. Nice, isn't it, Becky?
Yeah, definitely.
And nights are drawing in, so it'll be getting dark soon. No, thoroughly enjoyable. You like it, Buster, don't you? I might give you a little bit. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy holidays, and see you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Enjoy the great outdoors. Cheers.